Hello, dear children. How are you all? Hopefully, you all are happy, healthy, and excited for today's story. So, without delay, let's get started. High in the silent cliff near a vast green forest, there lived a majestic eagle. She was strong, fearless, and known as the queen of the skies. Every morning, she would soar above the mountains, her sharp eyes watching over the valleys and river below. One spring season, the eagle built a beautiful nest on the tallest tree near a quiet pond. She patiently laid a precious egg and guarded it with all her heart. That egg was her dream, her hope, her future. Not far from that tree lived a nature loving man. He often came to the forest to observe birds and animals. He admired the eagle's strength and dedication. Every day, he would quietly watch from a distance, careful not to disturb her. One afternoon, when the eagle had flown away to search for food, a mischievous cat climbed that tall tree with its sharp claws and naughty curiosity. It reached the nest. Before anyone could stop it, the cat pushed the egg down. The egg fell and shattered on the ground. The nature lover witnessed this heartbreaking scene but was too far to save it. When the eagle returned and saw the broken shell, her cry echoed through the forest. It was a cry of pain and touched even the sky. She sat beside the broken egg, refusing to eat or fly. Days passed, and the once powerful eagle looked weak and sorrowful. The man's heart melted. He could not bear to see such grief. He knew it was risky, but compassion gave him courage. He thought of a plan. Near the water pond, a duck had recently laid eggs. With utmost care and trembling hands, the man took one duck egg and climbed the tall tree when the eagle was away. Gently he placed the duck's egg in eagle's nest. When the eagle returned, she noticed an egg in her nest. Though it felt slightly different, her motherly instinct was stronger than doubt. She sat on it lovingly, protecting it from wind and rain. Days later, the egg cracked, but out came not an eaglet, but tiny yellow duckling. The eagle titled her head in surprise. The baby looked different, small beak, soft feathers, and little webbed feet. For a moment she hesitated, but then the duckling made a tiny sound and looked up at her with innocent eyes. That was enough. To the eagle, it was her baby. She fed it insects and small grains. She kept it warm under her strong wings. She guarded it from snakes and wild animals. When the duckling tried to waddle near the pond, the eagle walked beside it, protecting it fiercely. Uh, as days passed, the eagle realized more and more that this child was not like her. The baby could not fly high, instead, it loved water. One day, the duckling happily jumped into water pond and began swimming. The eagle um, panicked at first. She circled above the water, ready to attack any danger. But then she noticed something beautiful. The duckling was happy in water, moving gracefully in its own ways. From that day on, whenever the duck swam, eagle stayed nearby on a rock or flew above, watching carefully. Other ducklings accepted the baby as one of them, yet it always returned to eagle's nest at sunset. They were different in nature, but united in love. Seasons changed. The duck grew strong and independent. It made friends, explored the pond, and built its own life. Yet it never forgot the mighty eagle who had raised it. And the eagle, though she knew the duck was not born from her egg, In her heart, it was always her child. The nature loving man continued to watch this unusual family. He realized something profound. Love is not limited by appearance, species, or differences. True love protects, nurtures, and accepts. The forest animals too learned a lesson. They saw how a bird of a sky and a bird of water lived in harmony. The eagle did not reject the duck for being different. Instead, she embraced those differences. Year later, whenever the eagle soared high in the sky, the ground duck would look up from the pond with pride. And whenever the duck swam peacefully, the eagle felt content knowing her baby was safe and happy. Their story became a legend in the forest, a story of compassion stronger than nature itself. And this beautiful story is having few moral values. First, love is beyond differences. True love does not depend on appearance, background, or nature. One more lesson we learn: compassion heals sorrow. The kind act of one man changed griefs into hope. Harmony creates a better world. When different beings live with acceptance and respect, the world becomes peaceful. And one more thing which we learned from today's lesson is family is built by care, not just by birth. It is love and protection that truly define relationship. This story reminds us that in our world, where people may look different, think differently, or live differently, acceptance and compassion can create harmony. When we choose love over judgment, we make this planet a more beautiful place to live in. This is all about our today's story. Hopefully, you all must have enjoyed today's story. Please do share this story with your friends, relatives, neighbors, cousins, school friends, everyone. Do subscribe to our channel. We'll meet tomorrow with a new story. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Lots of blessings.